Hello! Today I will show you how to change your audio settings in Sword of Convallaria. First, open the main menu by pressing this icon next to your name. Once in the main menu, go and press the gear icon to open settings. Once in settings, look for the audio settings and simply tap on them. And once in the audio section, you can mute or unmute different audio tracks, audio layers, and you can change their audio levels. Once you're happy with the choices you made, you can simply go and press the area outside of the window to go back to the main menu, and go back once again to the game by pressing this arrow right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.